There's this guy in outside Trinity Jonas.
Yes.
Insulting Christians, insulting chiefs, and now he has turned everything to Muslims. He has started insulting Muhammad. Now the Muslims are angry and they said like they will beat him or they will kill him.
All right. Mr. Trinity Jonas, is he how you call him?
Trinity Jonas.
T. Oya Bofra. Trinity Jonas is a small boy. Menja sure so with 40 years. He's a young man. What I can do is to advise him. Oya Kola, uhu bibia na yofe. When we started going to America, I've been going to America for 27 years now.
Wow.
I've preached all the 50 states in America. Ooh. I don't know the years I was there for America. I've traveled to 85 countries around the nations of the world. Yes. Now, menim da ode ko America, Oya Bofra, uhu bibia na ye ofe. Unsa Oya kwada. First me do America, bibia me hu bia no mepe. Ka bia me hu bia me se me to. But as time goes on, you can see say age is changing your perception. Send your who send your tear no. Enya sa na tear. Enya de bia e kokko bia na e good. Trinity Jonas, enya de bia e kokko and e good. Now, eya brofo no. The white people, omo na ya Africa say. It is the white men, the white people, our slave masters, who have made Africans so poor. Yeah. So when you are talking, you need to have knowledge of what he's saying. Americans, when they oppress you, they don't have oppressors. They had independence from the British. So, Abraham Lincoln, they planned America about 400 years ago. 400 years ago, when they started developing their country. When you get to America, George Washington Bridge from New York to New Jersey. Sir, George Washington Bridge alone is almost 100 years. It's about 94 years.
Whoa.
The bridge from Manhattan to Brooklyn they built it in 1876.
Oh, man, yeah.
1876. Sabrina computer radio. So the omo nim. Sabrina busa say dia na e koso Africa. Yes, na yashankwa so mu gold. Uko British now. Ye reserve gold. Uko gold omo reserve no gold no. Most of them is from Africa. Uko France omo reserve gold. Majority of them was taken from Africa to make Africans very poor. Number two, these white people decided to divide black people. They decided to Kwame Nkrumah, CIA for no, but they use the Ghanaians. Sabrano, na George Bush, senior George Bush, no or CIA ni. They pay money for the coup. It is the Americans. When Kwame Nkrumah was fighting for the United States of Africa, it's one of the reasons why they sponsored that coup. Jonas no nim Samuel way. And the system is working there. And you call Ghana a Croatia. You are a young man. It has taken them years. When the white man was robbing Ghana, taking our gold, taking our resources into their country.
Even our people, the strong ones.
You see? So it will take Ghana time for us to develop to that level. And above all, a white man will not sit down for you to get to that level. For you to come to the same development with them, they don't like it. They want to see a black man in seriously poverty so that we can take from IMF near their day. Eti, America, a glass and go on. There are other glass buildings in Ghana too.
Yeah, it's legal.
Now, the sad thing is that, Jonas, you only record Manhattan. You don't record Bronx. Who call Bronx? Send you hear about the good. Send your muya or in see a fino. Who will be when you say, or also come America. So, my advice for you is that when your chance and the work in America, we're Fruma, Eshegana, we're Fruma, Haneshe. Me, no, I am not against what he's doing. Okay, our leaders should also take inspiration. Say, acquire a brofuna develop no. We can also do the same. We can catch up. It doesn't matter what. Say, my corruption no ever form. Not selfishness no ever form. Greediness ever form. Individual selfish. So nipa ba kutumi wie sika one party to me wie sika ma on money nyina here no. And yet, so I don't, I'm not against what he's doing. I am not against the Jonas yes or church development. It takes time for them to get to that stage. We can also do the same. Our leaders should take inspiration from him. Say, Abranti, Asama Okano, a party will announce how. Yes, so you develop Pio Crew, Nian Kriti, a Juma Maya Mama. We should create employment for our children's children. So, the good side. I am not against that. But the bad side is that you cannot insult our leaders. Yeah. Because why would America, you don't pay tax in Ghana here. And your taxes in area development. You live in somebody's country, you are paying your tax for that government, and you are insulting the government that you don't give him your tax. Yeah. It's an insult. And one of our culture is that you don't insult your fathers. So that is what I don't like. That is what I hate. I don't endorse what he's doing by insulting our fathers. Now, he has insulted our fathers. It takes people years to get to where they are. So it's taking people years to get to where they are. To insult Otunfo, to insult the president, to insult the leaders of this country. Now, he is breaking that boundary. He's going higher. They say, one of the things he cannot escape is adding religious. He's engaging himself into religious battles. But after religious battles, when you engage yourself, you are done.
Yeah.
And or a young boy, he shouldn't fight battles he cannot win. And he should learn to choose his battles very well. Because, you see, your youthful mistakes can fight your future. Yeah. When you I feel mature now, because you are not the first to be on social media. There were people on social media trending. Almost started and you see, there are seasons for things. But so creative problems to her, you fight it, your children can fight it, especially when you attack religion. And you Christosum and now attack you go free. But Muslims, when you attack them, you are done.
People are saying, why is it that he started insulting Christians and nobody say anything? But now that he's turning to Muslims, it's like, then how did Muhammad at him? Why is Muhammad so important than Jesus? That's what people are asking.
Muhammad is not important than Jesus. One of the name of Jesus is called the Prince of Peace. Jesus came in for peace. But young Christians, we are timid. Christians are timid people. Christians are not risk takers. Christians are not, Bibiana, but the religious Muslims, when you insult their leader, you have insulted them. They make it personal. They come after you. And what advice I want to give to the young man is say, it has taken America 400 years to get to where they are. By now, slave masters now, any good on side to make us, to break us up. And Kabana and Kabikra is your queen. Say, CIA for no, and they took Kwame Nkrumah. The Kwame Nkrumah time. and yenya kosomo. Rapid development. Kwame Nkrumah time, and no started so develop Kanda estate. Kwame Nkrumah time, and yenya Tema. Motorway. All those development. And you can imagine, say, I don't know who said no. Kwame Nkrumah has a vision for Africa, not for Ghana alone. If this man can unite Ghana, Africa, we are 1.2 million people. With about the same as 50 states. African continent and Ukraine about 50 states. The same as American continent.
Oh.
Yes. And we are 1.2 million citizens. 1.2 billion people living in Africa. Eti abrofunu say you can the United States of Africa. And Nana Gaddafi are fighting for
resources.
Gaddafi was fighting for the United States of Africa to have one currency, freedom of movement. And now America for any Europe for no cabo mamudi kokuno. So you see that it's not easy the way Mr. Jonas is saying. So I know Namaya Ketri, and that's a new vision, but with time, we will get there. So Mr. Jonas should give us a time. We will get there. If our forefathers could not do it, in Germany, that's why we are sending them to good schools. They will come out and build this country for us. And you know, Onya Botrekakra, it should stop insulting leaders. It should stop insulting our fathers. If they are nobodies to you, they are something. They mean a lot to us. Otumfo means so much to us. Because you see that America, there's no culture there. America is a free country. That young man has the power to insult anybody. Because America, because America, there's no culture. But Ghana, Africa, we have a culture. And so we will not sit down for you to do that. It is not right. And my advice for that young man is that he's too young. He shouldn't engage himself in the battle that is bigger than him, especially religious battles. Religion to come okay, glass and do what you are doing, but don't insult our leaders. Okay, give Africa time to develop.
Yes.
Because America now will say a glass and it has taken them 400 years to get there.
Wow. And we
just have independence. 64 years is not 64 days. Papa, tell me, Mr. Jonas, 64 years is not 64 days. You cannot compare 64 years to 400 years. So what I said, you can't do that. So, intimesra we are branching we see so. I'm not fighting it. Who did you be at them? What did you suffer at them? I feel you're well leaders. Muhammad and Adu Asa Mokoneso. And as we refuse all the mafia Muslims, American no be and nobody can trace you. And I say, who Obi bought your pay, no, you are gone for good. Nobody will even have time to defend you. And for the sake of your children's children, do something that will leave a good legacy for your children's children to follow. And I don't think it's proper to be insulting our fathers, our kings, our president. President, what's up? School ben alcohol. School ben alcohol, yeah. Ultimate trial. As president kwasia na sabi ne makra ya eko school well educated sim sikana also won maza and grofo usika but they don't want to make noise inti mesre Chili Jonas so now